Tang. Let's review it for 1 minute. The front package has a picture of an orange, says vitamin C and has no artificial flavors written. If you look at the back package, it says per 100 gram of Tang, it has 93 grams of sugar. Basically, this is 93% sugar. If you ran out of sugar, don't ring your neighbor's bell, just use Tang instead. In case 93% sugar was not enough for you, they also add an artificial sweetener called sucralose, which is the same sweetener used in Coke Zero. Tang markets itself as a company that helps children drink water, and they even have a television ad called Tang Milao, Pani pilao.
पर दिन के 8 ग्लास पानी जरूरी है ना, इसीलिए टैंग मिलाओ, पानी पिलाओ.
Per glass, it has around 4 teaspoons of sugar. So if you let your child have 2 glasses of Tang every day, you're feeding them 8 teaspoons of sugar per day from Tang alone. There is no real orange. Instead, there is an orange fruit powder, and that also only 0.9%. They also have other stabilizers and colors like food color 171, which is titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is banned in Europe and many Middle Eastern countries. Certain studies link titanium dioxide in food to cancer. However, one counter argument is that these studies used a high dosage of titanium dioxide and were tested on animals and not humans. Should you still consume powders like Tang? Do what you think is right, but don't listen to Tang Milao, Pani pilao. Try to get into a habit of drinking water by itself. Share this with anyone who will find this useful.